guys. Good evening, everyone. Hope you're all enjoying yourselves. My name is Eric, as Dr. B just said. I'm a recent graduate of Charter College. I'm here today receiving my Associates in Criminal Justice. I'm not sure if I asked to do this speech or if I was voluntold. For some reason, people say I can be motivational, whatever that is. Recently, I've been walking around the campus and asking people questions that are not easy to answer, because I had an idea. The idea was, what is the best way to keep people motivated? The first thing I asked was, what makes a person a hero? The answers I received were very different. Some simply said Batman. But from talking to everyone, I gained a sense of what a true hero is. A hero doesn't need to be recognized for what they do. A hero sees the best in people, even when they don't see it in themselves. A hero inspires others without knowing. They lead, not because they want to, but because it comes to them naturally. And they are easy to follow. A hero is a genuine person. They care to make a difference in someone's life and truly want them to succeed in life. A hero will do something, not because it is easy, but simply for the fact that it is the right thing to do. A hero has courage. I know that courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes courage is that quiet voice at the end of the day saying, I will try again tomorrow. All of you here are a hero to someone. I say this because we all pushed each other to make it here. Every single one of you has helped me become better than I was. This brings me to my second question I asked people. What is life? The most common answer was, can I answer the other question? No. Okay. I'm gonna call someone out right now. They summed up in 3 words. Life is unpredictable. That's you, Tulsa. In-text citation, APA format.
You got it.
It is not what you think. It's about choices. Sometimes you make choices in life, and sometimes choices in life make you. Life has great times, and has bad times, but the bad times lead to the new great ones. This choice to go back to school and see it through has made you all stronger. Now that school is finished, the hard part begins. That is not giving up when someone says no. Knowing you did this to change your life, it is time to start that change. Get into your field. Get your experience now and transfer where you want to be. Look ahead and never doubt yourself. You all came to college to change your life for the better, to give yourself a better future. That was your choice for you, your family, and your future. Now, I believe all of you have what it takes to succeed. It will take everything you have to do it. Do not just follow your dreams. You never catch anything by following it. You have to chase them. We have to hurt in order to know, fall in order to grow, lose in order to gain, because most of life's lessons are taught through pain.